Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error message when running the troubleshooting wizard on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This says that Windows cannot find a computer or device named and then whatever desktop or laptop you are trying to connect to. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to Category View and select Network and Internet on the left side. Select the Network and Sharing Center. And now select on the left side on the left panel where it says Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And now on the right you want to turn on Network Discovery. And if this pertains to a printer or file sharing device, you might want to turn on file and printer sharing as well. And once you've expanded all networks, turn on password protected sharing, 128-bit encryption, and turning off public folder sharing. That's fine. You can keep them all turned off there. And that's about it. So you're going to have to go ahead and select Save Changes for that to take effect. So that should honestly be about it, guys. That should have been able to resolve the problem. And one final thing you can attempt, you can turn on SMB 1.0 as well, which, some people, are worried about security and that kind of thing. I have mixed feelings on it, but generally it shouldn't be a problem. It's not a problem. People like to find problems of everything, but anyway, if this is what's required in order to get file sharing support, we're going to have to turn it on. I mean, that's just kind of how I view it. So anyway, open up the search menu, type in Windows Features. Best match, come back with term Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to scroll down, and where it says SMB 1.0/CIFS file sharing support, click inside of there. So it's a checkbox in there, and select OK. And give it a moment. And once that's done, you're going to have to restart for the change to take effect. Again, if that isn't required in order to get your device connected, then I wouldn't do that. But if you need to do that in order to get your device connected, it's fine. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.